Okay, right around this time tomorrow morning, hundreds will gather in West Jordan. It's Utah's largest mental health event.
Yeah, Nami Walks Utah coincides with Mental Health Awareness Month, and it aims to show that no one walks alone. And Mika is on the move at Veterans Memorial Park with a preview. Mika.
That's right, guys. It's a great month to talk about mental health awareness, but for Nami Utah, the goal is to make people aware all year long. And joining me now live is Robin Holcomb, Executive Director of Nami Utah. Thank you so much for being here this morning. Tell us exactly, what is Nami Utah?
So our mission at Nami Utah is very simple. It's to improve the lives of anybody throughout Utah impacted by mental illness. So whether it's somebody who's struggling with their own mental health, or it's a family member supporting a loved one who has a mental health condition. And we do that through free, high-quality, peer-led mental health education, support, and advocacy efforts.
And you guys are hosting an event right here at Veterans Memorial Park tomorrow. Tell us about Nami Walks.
Yes, so Nami Walks is what we call Utah's largest, most joyful mental health awareness event of the year. We will be bringing together close to 800 people to celebrate the fact that, mental illness is difficult. And when we come together as a community, there's every reason for hope. And research shows that when we are in community, that helps with the healing process. So it's really a big celebration. It's free. There's going to be fun music. There's going to be dancing. We've got cheerleaders that will be out supporting people on the walk. It's a really very joyful occasion where we come together and we're reminded that we're not alone with our mental health challenges.
I love that. Always better together, and you never know what someone is going through. How long is the walk? What time does it start at? And how can people register? That was a lot of questions.
Wonderful, yes. So first off, the walk starts right here at Veterans Memorial Park here in West Jordan at 9 o'clock. That's when registration and check-in is. At 10 o'clock, the program starts, and then the walk is right behind that. The walk is about a mile.
Okay.
Here's the thing, though, I want to mention. So it is a Nami walk, but two things. Number one, you don't have to walk. And number two, it is a fundraiser, but you don't have to give any money. Just come and celebrate with us that, we're together, we're stronger, that help us shine a light on mental illness, help us break down stigma. It's a really joyful occasion. So.
Yeah, and that kind of goes into what I was going to ask you next. Mental Health Awareness Month. Why is talking about mental health and bringing awareness to it so important?
Well, one of the biggest challenges our nation really faces, and actually the world, is stigma around mental illness. So when we are talking about it, when we're sharing our stories, when we're out communicating, when we're reminding each other we're not alone. We all have mental health challenges. We're all impacted by mental illness in some way. So that is why, it's really critical that we're talking about mental health all year long. But in May, Mental Health Awareness Month, that is why we especially want to highlight it.
What are some resources out there for people who might be struggling with their mental health?
Well, so glad you asked. Go to namiut.org. And again, we are a peer-based organization, meaning that all of our resources come from the perspective not of clinical professional care, but from a person with their own experiences with mental illness or supporting somebody. So at namiut.org, you can find information about our helpline, about our free support groups. There are 10 a week. They're very easily accessible. You can register today and attend within 24 hours. Our evidence-based courses, suicide prevention efforts, advocacy, etc. So yeah, find us come here
right
tomorrow, but then also you can find more info
9 o'clock tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, and namiut.org is the website to find more information. Perfect. And over 800 people have registered so far for this walk.
Yes, it's going to be the biggest, best. We're so excited.
All for a great cause. Robin, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Really appreciate it. And